ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Here, resolve into factors. Resolve into factors. X to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 8. Already we discussed about these formulas, algebraic identities. It's very important, algebraic identities. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is x to the power of 4 whole square minus a to the power of 4 whole square. That is equal to, so this is just like a, this is b, a square minus b square form. So this is x power 4 plus a power 4 into x power 4 minus a power 4. That is x power 4 plus a power 4 into, again this write x square whole square minus a square whole square. A square whole square. This is same x power 4 plus a power 4 into, again this is a square minus b square form. That is a plus b into a minus b. So this is x square plus a square into x square minus a square. That is x power 4 plus a power 4 into x square plus a square. Again this write a square minus b square form. Again this is x plus a into x minus a. X minus a. So these are the factors. And one problem, 16a square b minus b by 16a square. This is b. Resolve into factors. See here it is b, it is also b. b is taking common. 16a square minus 1 by 16a square. 16a square. That is b into 16a square is 4a whole square minus 1 by 4b whole square. Sorry, 4 is also a. 4a whole square. Again this is a square minus b square form. b into a plus b, 4a plus 1 by 4a into 4a minus 1 by 4a. That is a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. And one problem, 100 into x plus y whole square minus 81 into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. This 100 can be written as 10 square into x plus y whole square minus this 9 square into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Now a square b square can be written as ab whole square. ab whole square. Now this is 10 into x plus y whole square minus 9 into a plus b whole square. That is 10x plus 10y whole square minus 9a plus 9b whole square. Again this is a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. 10x plus 10y plus 9a plus 9b into 10x plus 10y minus of 9a plus 9b. So this is 10x plus 10y plus 9a plus 9b into 10x plus 10y minus 9a minus 9b. So these are the factors. Write down. (81 x power 4 minus 121 x square). In this you can take x square is taking common. So this is 81 x square minus 121. X square into this is 9x whole square minus 11 square. Again this is a square minus b square form. X square into a plus b, 9x plus 11 into 9x minus 11. Next one, four a square minus 9b square minus 2a minus 3b. Resolve into factors. First these two, this is 2a whole square minus 3b whole square minus of 2a plus 3b. Minus is taken common, that is 2a. So this minus 2a minus 3b. Again this is a square minus b square form. A square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b minus of 2a plus 3b. Here 2a plus 3b is taking common. So this is 2a plus 3b is taking common. Then here the remaining is 2a minus 3b and it is 1 minus 1. So these are the factors. Next one, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 9, then find x plus 1 by x. 1 by x. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And a plus b whole square formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, here a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. 4ab. So, this a plus b whole square is equal to so this is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So, these are all the algebraic identities. A plus b. So, this is a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So, this is a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. From this a plus b whole square equal to, you write that side, a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Now, for using this x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x. So, a is x, b is 1 by x. That is equal to, already the value is given, x minus 1 by x value 9. So, this is 9 square plus 4, 81 plus 4, that is 85. So, x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root of 85. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27, then find x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Now, this is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. These two gets cancelled. The value is given 27. 27 plus 2, that is 29. Value is 29. Therefore, x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root of 29. And similarly, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. So, x gets cancelled. So, this is 27 minus 2. This is 25. Therefore, x minus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 5. Root of 25, that is 5. Next one, solve x plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 36. Equal to x plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 36. That means find the values of x and y. X and y. X plus y is equal to 15. This is the first equation. Now you can make it as a second equation. Second means by considering x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square is equal to, this right, x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Minus 4xy. So this is the, from algebraic identities, already we discussed about this formula. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab by using this. Now this is x plus y 15 square minus 4 into 36 given 36, that is 225 minus, this is 144, that is equal to 81. So x minus y whole square is equal to 81, implies x minus y is equal to plus or minus, this is 8 plus or minus 9. So root 81, that is 9. So x minus y equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to, if x minus y is equal to, take positive value 9, and x plus y is equal to 15. X plus y equal to 15. By solving these two, that means adding the two equations, plus y minus y cancel, 2x is equal to, so by adding these two, 24, x is equal to 12. X value is 12. So, and x plus y is equal to, 15. X value is 12. Substituting 12 plus y is equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 15 minus 12. That is 3. Value is 3. So, xy. So, y is equal to 3. Suppose if you take x minus y is equal to minus 9, x minus y equal to minus 1, x minus y is equal to plus or minus 9, first I am taking x minus y equal to plus 9. And x plus y is equal to, already is given 15 by adding these two. So this is gets cancelled, 2x is equal to, so 15 minus 9, that is 6, x is equal to 3, x value is 3. Yes, sir. X is 3 and y value, x plus y is equal to 15, therefore 3 plus y is equal to 15, y is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So y is equal to 12. So x comma y values 12 3 or 3 12. or one method is factorization method. X plus y is equal to 15 and xy is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 by x. From this, y is equal to 36 by x. Now, in this one, x plus y is 36 by x is equal to 15. Equal to 15. By taking LCM, LCM is x. So, this is x square plus 36 is equal to 15. That is x square plus 36 is equal to 15x. X square, take this side, minus 15x plus 36 is equal to 0. Now, I think you know the factorization. 36 factors, 12 into 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. So, x square minus 12x minus 3x plus 36 is equal to 0. Factorization method. Product of the two numbers is 36 and the sum of the two numbers is 15 means what? You can put minus and minus. So, sum of the two factors minus 12 minus 3 minus 15. Product of two factors, that is 36. So, in these two, x common, x minus 12 minus these two, taking 3 is taking common. So, this is x, I am taking minus common. So, this is minus 3, that is 12, 3s are 12. It is x minus 12 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x equal to 12 comma 3. X equal to 12 comma 3. If x is equal to, if x equal to 12, then y is equal to y equal to 36 by x, where x is here, y equal to 36 by x, where x equal to, this is 12, that is 3, therefore y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 36 by x, where x is 3, that is equal to 12. Therefore, in this case, so in both the methods, you will get the same answer. So, you do some problems, any one method or this process, any one method, according to your convenience, you can solve the problems. Solve x minus y is equal to 12, x y is equal to 85. X plus y is equal to 28, xy is equal to 187, x plus y is equal to 51, xy is equal to 518. X minus y is equal to 5, xy is equal to 126. Solve these equations. Particularly in mathematics, you need more practice. While we are teaching, you are able to follow the concept. But some of them are not in a position to solve the problems because of a lack of practice. So you need more practice, more practice. So that is very, very important thing. So I will teach one problem. Any one method, x minus y is equal to 5, xy is equal to 126. In this, you can consider x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square plus 4xy plus 4xy plus 4xy. How to get this one? You know, x plus y whole square minus of x minus y whole square is equal to 4xy. 4xy implies x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. 4xy. In the previous class, I discussed all the trigonometric identities, algebraic identities. I discussed each and everything. So from this, now this is here, x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y is 5. So this is 5 square. 5 square. This is plus 4 into xy. xy is 126. 126. So this is 25 plus 126. So this is 126 into 4. So this is 24. 24, 10. So this is 0 and this is 5. 5 not 4. 5 not 4. 5 not 4. So this is 529. 529. So this is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is equal to 529. So implies x plus y is equal to root of 529 value. Root of 529 value plus or minus root of 529. Root of 529. I think it is 23. Now this is 23, 20, 23. So this is 9 and 6. So this is 529. So x plus y is equal to plus or minus 20, 23. Now, if you take plus, if x my plus y is equal to plus 23 and already x minus y is given, x minus y is equal to 5. By adding these two, y gets cancelled, 2x is equal to 28, x is equal to 28 by 2, that is 14. And y is equal to x plus y. X plus y is equal to 23. X value 14 plus y is equal to 23. Y is equal to 23 minus 14. That is value is 9. Therefore, y is equal to, y value is 9. So if you take, if x plus y is equal to minus 23 and x minus y is equal to, already given, x minus y is equal to 5. So by adding these two, plus y minus cancel, 2x is equal to 2x 2x is equal to, here it is minus 18. Two x minus 18. X is equal to minus 14. X equal to minus 14. Now x plus y is equal to minus 20 minus 23. X plus y is equal to minus 23. So where minus 14 plus 9 is equal to minus 23. Therefore y is equal to minus 23 plus 14, that is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 14, y is equal to minus 9 in this case. So in first case, x value 14, y value 9. What is x plus y? That is 14 plus 9, that is 23. What is x minus y? 14 minus 9, that is 5. If you take x plus y equal to minus 23, x plus y equal to minus 23. In this case, you get x value minus 14 and y value minus 9. So x plus y means what? Minus 14 minus 9, which is minus 23. And x minus y is, and x minus y is equal to, x minus y is minus 14 minus of minus plus 9, 5. So in both cases it is the answer. Now resolve into factors. How to resolve into factors? I think already you know in our 10th class, but just we discuss 2 or 3 problems. First one, 2x square plus x minus 28. Resolve into factors. Now multiplying x square coefficient and a constant, that is 2 into minus 28 minus 20, that is equal to minus 56. Now select the factors such that their product is minus 56 and their sum is 1. Sum is 1. So for these factors, 8 into 7, 8 into 7, that is 56. But here it is plus. So for this you can put plus and this is minus. So this is 2x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 28. Factors are 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Of these, one factor is negative. Negative means see here. See, this is 1x. if the sign is positive. So for bigger number you can put plus and a smaller number put minus. So plus 8x minus 7x is nothing but plus x, and their product is that is minus 56. These two you can take 2x is taken common, x plus 4. These two minus 7 is taking common, 7 common, this is x plus, so this is 7 into 4, 28, 7 is taking common, remaining is 4. So this is x plus 4 into 2x minus 7. So these are the factors. In one problem, 6x square minus 31x plus 35. So the product of these two, that is 6 into 35. That is 6 into, we write 7 into 5 factors. 7 into 5 factors. So this is 2 into 3 into 7 into 5. 7 into 5. So here this is 21 into 10. 21 into 10. So 3 into 7, 21, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is, that is 10. So the sum of the two factors is 31 and the product is same as this. So this is 6x square minus 21x minus 10x plus 35. From these two you can take 3 common. 3x is taken common, so this is 2x minus this is 7. 3 7s are 21. Of these two, minus 5 is taken common, so this is 2x minus 7. So the factors 2x minus 7 into 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. And problem 12x square minus 23xy plus 10y square. 10y square. Now the product of these two, that is 120x square y square. 120x square y square. Now the factors, select the factors such that their product is 120 and their sum is minus 23. Sum is minus 23. So this is a 10 into 12. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 into this is a 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Again, the product of this is what? This is 15 and this is 8. So this is 15 into 8. 15 plus 8, that is 23. So this right, 12x square minus 15xy minus 8xy plus 10y square. 10y square. These two you can take these two. So this is 3x is taking common. 3x common. So this is what? 4x. 4x minus this is 5y y. 5y. X is already taken common. So remaining is what? 5y. If you are multiplying these two, this is 12x square. 3 5s are 15xy. And these two minus. You can take 2y is taking common. 2y common. 2y common. So this is 4x minus 5y. So the factors 3x minus 2y into 4x minus 5y. Now do some problems. 3x square plus 23x plus 14. 3x square plus 19x minus 14. 3x square minus 13x plus 14. 5x square plus 224x minus 15. Not 5, this is 15. This is 72x square minus 145x plus 72. Next 24x square minus 29xy minus 4y square. So these resolve into factors. Next one is swords. Let A is a positive rational number and n is a positive integer, then nth root of a, that means a to the power of 1 by n, a power 1 by n is called a surd of order n if nth root of a is an irrational number. A is a positive rational number. N is a positive integer. Integers means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So these are all integers. A rational number means it is of the form P by Q form where Q not equal to 0. 2 is also a rational number, 2 by 1. 1 is also a rational number, 1 by 1. 0 is also a rational number, 0 by 1. 1 by 3, rational number. 2 by 5 is also a rational numbers. A is a positive rational number and N is a positive integer. Then nth root of A, that means A power 1 by N, is called a third of order N if nth root of A is an irrational number. For example, cube root of 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. 2 power 1 by 3 is a third of order 3. Order is 3. Root 5 is a third of order. Root 5 means what? 5 power 1 by 2 is a third of order 2. Order 2. So cube root of 8 is equal to 8 power 1 by 3, that is 2 power 2 cube whole power 1 by 3, that is 2. This is not a third. This is not a third because of what? If nth root of A is an irrational number, so 2 is not an irrational number. So that is a rational number. So this is not a